everyone! So today I'm going to be changing Snow Miku's outfit to the Glowing Snow outfit that I received from Volks really recently. So, Glowing Snow this time came in a box. Alright, so I've already cut the tape that is holding down the lid. So when you open it, it opens up like this. For once, the instructions are fairly intact. As you can kind of see here, this outfit does come with another wig. But yeah, we have the main dress, some shoes, 2 hair accessories, the neck accessory, and a little hat. So here's the dress. In the bottom we have the shoes, well, boots. And in here we have the new wig. This outfit was about $198, I want to say. Or something like that. It was about $200 to purchase this outfit with shipping. So I'm just gonna open this right up. So we have the dress here, which is really nicely done. Which I expect nothing less of Volks. This part here is all super satiny. The rest of the dress is too. This material here is made similar of the ball gowns that they do, like the siren outfit that they did for Miku, and the wedding dresses, where this one is like the thinner material that they use sometimes for tops, but it complements really together nicely. And this isn't to say it's cheaply done. When I say thinner material, it's just not as thick. So the bottom here does in fact have like little balls. You cannot light these up. I feel like somebody's gonna ask if you can light these up, but you cannot. Not designed that way. And then back here we have like her little wing shaped bow. The inside of the dress is the usual Volks, I forget what these are called, but to help make the dress have a puffier look. And it unbuttons at the shoulder here. So it unbuttons there, and then there's buttons. Take the padding out. So this part's all set for putting on her. Next up, we have her top shawl. This almost makes me think of some of the hats that you can buy for actual people. This fur part here is super soft. I've got the cute little bow to go with it, and it's got the music note and the really nice stitching. Volks always does such a beautiful job with all of their clothing. She has a little satin set of gloves with this outfit as well. Here's the hair accessories. Here we have the little chains with the, I'm not exactly sure what the original sign's technically supposed to be for these, but on here they're little beads and they look super pretty. And at the bow, there's a little like end piece here, I believe. These must have a hook of some sort. They attach really easy too. I'm gonna imagine maybe it's the hat. At least I hope. Otherwise I have no idea how these are going on. So here's the hat. So in the hat here we do have a little like ponytail holder, which is indeed what those pieces hook into. Got her little clock hat, super cute. The boots. Got the little fur part here, and these do not appear to have a little zipper or button, so you are going to have to just fight with it to get it on her foot. Always amazes me how much paper can go in these shoes. Little bows on the back. Alrighty, last we have her wig. As per other Volks wigs, this one has been pre-styled. The end of her hair here has been curled to have a firm finish. This is a flat end, perfectly straight across. So the end part has been styled like that. The top part is still soft and bendable. And on the top here we have pretty much the classic haircut for her, with also, a little hard to see, there is also a little braid that has been done here. So let's get started on dressing Snow Week. Taking out the arms is also a lot easier. And I finally got this all buttoned up. So I finally got the wig kind of on her. It's not really on her, so like it does at least stay on her head now instead of falling straight off. But back here you can see that the wig is kind of like buckled in. Like this is like empty cavity, and it should have been like more over the top of her head. And back here you can see it's stuck on the part that the cap top of her head meets the other half, and so it's stuck there, and I can't get her hair to go all the way back like it's supposed to. I do have an original Snow Miku, so maybe that's part of the problem. A bit unsure about what's the source of the problem. Folks will definitely be hearing from me about my wig problem, and hopefully I can get something replaced, because like that's not really cool. Like the rest of the outfit hasn't had any problems, just the wig there. I think I've literally fought with the wig off camera for like 15 minutes. So that was a bit frustrating. I'm actually gonna spin her back around. So I definitely like the application of this hat better than like Mikuzuken, because like that one doesn't stay on very well. And like there's the Snow Parade outfit Miku has for her classic version that also has a hat, and they decided to deal with that in a headband for that one, which works but doesn't. It stays on, but it does fall off really easily. And Senbon Sakura just has a hat sitting just on her head, and there's no way to like keep it on her head. This at least stays put, but I think actually this is my favorite, because like now I can move her around without having to chase a hat, and it just stays in place. Alright, so there we go. The hat's now on. This little clip, this one, which looking great. So here's the final look. She looks so pretty. I'm definitely really bummed about the wig, which definitely a big issue because that does not look flattering, and I actually had her fall over while I was adding on the hair accessories and couldn't get it on.